Okay everybody, here it is, the moment of truth. Project CR250 startup. We've got Cody on it. He's going to take it for a spin and warm up the transmission, and so we change the tranny oil. Just go ahead and put it down, the choke. There you go. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Got any balls?
Yeah.
Yeah? Run good?
Yeah. I'm
Nice.
not in the house supposed to run, but
Yeah.
it seemed good.
Awesome. And what else we do? Cut.
I knew it.
Hey man, what's going on?
No.
Did you have any fun working on this bike?
Yeah.
What'd you learn about working with your Uncle Mike?
You don't always know what you're doing, what you think you do.
Did you have fun though?
Yeah, I had fun.
So, when it comes time to go riding, do you want to ride this one or the other one?
I don't care.
Just as long as you get to ride? And how long has it been since you've ridden?
Probably a year.
A year. What the heck you been doing here?
Nothing really.
How come you don't go riding when I'm not here?
I don't have a bike.
Oh, well, there's one sitting right over there.
I can't ride it. It's too clean, according to Dad.
According to Dad. So your dad's the blocker here. He's the one that won't let you ride. Really? How old are you?
14.
14. You're very well behaved for 14, you know what? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Because if it were me, as soon as my dad went to work, I'd have my helmet on and that thing would be out in the woods somewhere.
Yeah.
Now, if he caught you doing that, what would he do to you?
I don't really know.
Don't you want to find out?
Not really.
But he's got a bum knee. I mean, he can't catch you.
He still has power over me.
He does? Like what kind of power?
Parenting power.
Parenting power.
Take my stuff away.
Like what? What do you have that you care that much about?
I don't know.
Your phone? Will you take that away?
Probably.
Your Xbox? You still play with an Xbox?
Still, what do you mean?
Dude, I mean, you're 14. You should
There's kids that are like 25 that still play Xbox.
I'd be getting on my bicycle and riding over to the neighbor girl's house.
I don't have a neighbor girl.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Aren't there some Amish gals that just live down the road from you? All right. All right, well, thanks for helping me, buddy. It was fun.
Yeah, of
and we're going to take these things out and we're going to go rip up the trails and the track with them. So, see you next time.